Welcome to my channel. In this video, we will discuss about parallelogram law of forces. Parallelogram law is similar to the triangle law, which determines the resultant force by geometrical method. But in this case, we form a parallelogram instead of a triangle. We all know that a force is a vector quantity. It has magnitude, it has direction, and vectors can join geometrically to form polygons. Let's try to understand parallelogram law by an example. Let's consider a boat in between the two banks of a river. The boat is being pulled by two ropes by two people at A and B, and the forces in those ropes be F1 and F2. Now, in which direction will the boats move? To find that, we need to draw a line parallel to F2 and another line parallel to F1. This forms like a parallelogram, and the resultant is represented by the diagonal of the parallelogram. Now let's define the parallelogram law of forces. If two forces acting on a particle at the same time be represented in magnitude and direction by the two adjacent sides of a parallelogram drawn from a point, the resultant force is represented in magnitude and direction by the diagonal of the parallelogram drawn from the same point. Now let's find the magnitude of the resultant force by parallelogram law. Let there be two forces. In triangle law, we join the forces tip to tail, but here we join the tails of the vectors representing the sides of the parallelogram. Let the magnitude of force F1 be 5 Newton and that of F2 be 6 Newton. Let the angle between them be theta. Let's consider the scale of 1 Newton equal to 1 centimeter. Now draw the force F1 equal to 5 centimeter and F2 equal to 6 centimeter. Draw a line parallel to F2 and another line parallel to F1, forming a parallelogram. Now draw the resultant force passing through the diagonal of the parallelogram. Now measure the length of the diagonal OP, which you will get it as 9.02 centimeter. So as per the scale, the magnitude of the resultant is 9.02 Newton. This was a graphical method to find the resultant force. There is another method to find the same using simple trigonometry, which we will discuss in the coming videos. So thanks for watching. Have a nice day.